Welcome to episode 4 of my Revive Pelvic Floor Core Rehab, where I utilize core back immersion therapy to strengthen your weak pelvic floor, weak abdominal muscles, poor posture, and back pain. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. And in this video, I'll show you one of my frameworks on my core back immersion, where I utilize the wall, Pilates, yoga, and a foam roller to engage your weak pelvic floor muscles if they're tight and you don't know where to start. And this episode, I want to make sure you are ready before proceeding on this one. In the past few days and few sessions, we've been utilizing different modalities, and we utilize the elastic band, we utilize the ball, and now we are utilizing the wall. And there's so much more to learn from my program, and that's why I recommend you to watch the first 3 videos that you can click over here, and you can also go back to my other free 6-part video series where I discuss about the anatomy of the pelvic floor, the different muscles of the deep core muscles, and what's the lumbopelvic hip complex. So let's begin the program. We're gonna start lying on your back with your feet elevated without the foam roller first, to warm up your core muscles and how to do proper breath work. So it's important you know how to breathe properly. And if you're very tight on your hamstrings, calf, then it's okay to have a little bit space from your buttocks to the wall. But if you are flexible and you feel like you can lock your knee with your leg extended, then you can start doing this already. And my recommendation is to do proper breath work to engage your deep core muscles. You can place both hands on your abdomen, take a deep breath through your nose, and rib cage flare to the side, abdominal doming to give space on your pelvic floor to breathe with the diaphragm, and it elevates up from a dome-shaped downward pressure. When you inhale, you give that space with your diaphragm, and then you exhale, you are squeezing it up and lifting it up, and breathe out and pretend you have a small size P from your lower abdominal area going inside your PP and all the way up to your kidneys, and you're zipping it up like a tight jeans. You're zipping it up. Most patients with weak pelvic floor, instead of zipping it up, they're zipping it down, and that's not good pressure down your pelvic floor. So keeping your hands on your lower abdominal muscles, you're gonna feel those tiny little movements that makes a difference. Inhale. Exhale slowly, breathe out through your mouth and zip it up, navel to your spine from your lower abs and towards your navel. Tighten as hard as you can. Inhale, belly rise, zip it up. Last one, inhale, and exhale, zip it up. The first exercise, you're gonna warm up your ankles by moving your toes, curling in and pointing up towards the ceiling, and then exhale down with your toes opening out. It's important to stretch them to strengthen, and there's a correlation of weak toes, weak feet on your pelvic floor as well. When you walk, if you don't have that strength, the pressure goes to your pelvic floor. So it's important to strengthen those tiny muscles as well as a cushion to protect your pelvic floor. Inhale, tippy toes, and you might have some cramps inside because you can't believe you haven't stretched those muscles. Exhale, open. Dorsiflex, going down and zip it up all at the same time. 2 more. In and exhale, open. Last one. Curl in, exhale, open. Well done. So the first exercise, we're gonna slowly bend your both knees towards your chest, glide your feet down the wall as you inhale, belly rise, and then zip it up as you slowly extend your legs, pointing to the heavens, and then dorsiflex, opening your toes and breathe out. My toes are flared open. Inhale, curl your toes as you slowly glide your feet, toes, heels down, and then bend your knees as much as you can as you breathe in, and then breathe out, extend. And once you reach the extension of your knees, you open your toes out, open. 2 more, inhale, slow and steady, engaging your core muscles. Exhale, extend and open. Well done. Now we're gonna do a gentle bending as you breathe in, and then once you reach that bending, you're gonna open your knee out to the side, hip fall out. You don't have to reach the side of the wall if you can't yet, but if you can do it. Keeping the other foot down, planted down the wall, and your knees bent, not opening, just keep it stable. We're isolating one side of your pelvis and your hip external rotators to stretch. As you breathe out, zip it up. Inhale, back center, and then switch the other side. Breathe in and breathe out, warming up those deep hip muscles. That's tiny, but so important to support your pelvic floor and your deep core muscles. Exhale as you open, zip it up. Inhale as you go center. Exhale, open. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more, my friends. Last one. Well done. Now extend your leg again. Now place your hands on the side of the wall. Your fingers are touching a little bit to support, and we're going to do a gentle lift. With your knees straight, you're going to lift slowly, and then when you lift, you're slightly bending your knees. I'm planting my feet now on the wall as I breathe out. And then inhale, slowly roll down, bone to bone down to the mat, and zipping it up as I go all the way down and breathe out. Inhale, ribcage open, doming, and then zip it up as you lift. Inhale again, breathe in, expand, and then exhale, roll down. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, exhale, lift. Breathe in and breathe out. Well done. Now we're going to bend your knees to your chest again. And once you reach that bend, as much as you can, then you're going to open your knees out all at the same time to a butterfly stretch. Open your knees out. Inhale. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in again before exhaling back to the center. 3 more. So butterfly stretch is a good way to really open those tight hip groin area and your pelvic floor. Inhale, back center, exhale. Breathe in, open, feels so good on your hips to warm up further. Exhale, center. Last one. Inhale and exhale, center. Well done. Now, after doing that, now we can isolate further our glutes muscles with the knee bent. Hold on down to the mat and the wall if you can touch it. Inhale, slowly lift the hip thrust with your knees further bent. So I'm a little bit more challenged now with your knees more bent. Inhale, exhale, down. So it's a different kind of progression. You're targeting a different part of your posterior chain muscles. It's more on your glutes now. Exhale, down. Breathe in. 2 more. You're gonna feel that on your hamstrings. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Breathe in and breathe out, down. Now slowly extend your leg, and we're gonna do some single leg hip opening down the wall. So from here, toes pointing away towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale, slowly open your foot out, gliding down, and breathe out as much as you can. Squeezing your core in. Try to keep your pelvis stable. Inhale, exhale, back up. And then you switch to the other side. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, up. 3 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, up. Inhale, exhale, out. Inhale, exhale, up. 2 more. Feels so good on your hips. Left side, slow and steady. Exhale, up. Last one, my friends. Inhale, exhale, out. Now you can go further down, maybe touching the floor now if you can. Exhale up, inhale, exhale down. So it's like 2 breaths in one motion. Inhale and exhale up. The last deeper stretch is we're gonna open your feet out at the same time to a V stretch. Breathe in first. Breathe out. Squeeze your core in as you slowly separate your feet out to the side. You're gonna feel a deep stretch on your hip adductors, toes pointing away, pulling that beautiful stretch. And then inhale again. Exhale, zip it up. And then lift your feet up back to the center. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale, zip it up as you lift your both feet up. 3 more. Out, open. Inhale. Exhale up. 2 more. Exhale. Open. Inhale. Exhale up. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, center. Well done. Now I'm going to grab my foam roller. This is, we're going to add challenge and instability on your core and your toes to strengthen your toes. So with your feet on the foam roller, we're going to slowly glide and bend. It's like rolling down. Inhale, exhale up, extend. So I'm rolling it up, back and forth to warm up. Breathe in and breathe out. 4 more. Getting used to the foam roller on your feet, strengthening your toe muscles. As I said, this has a correlation on your pelvic floor as well. Building toe strength is so important in our everyday life because we wear shoes that restricts movement on our toes. Try your best to walk bare feet inside your home if you like, to keep your toes and feet strong and your ankles. Last one. And down. Well done. Now with your knees slightly bent in the tabletop position, we're going to do bridging now. And you're going to feel a little bit different. Inhale. Exhale. Zip it up. And then slowly extend your leg with the foam roller. Try not to fall off. Inhale down. Back to bend. And then exhale. Zip it up. 1 vertebrae at a time. It's a lot of control. So that's why it's not about momentum, it's about slow, controlled movement, really feeling your core. Inhale, exhale, lift to a bridge. And once you reach that bridge with control, inhale, exhale, extend. Now the foam roller is on my heel until I could fully extend, really pushing on the foam roller. Inhale, bend my knees. And then exhale, roll down, bone to bone down to the mat. 3 more, breathe in. Breathe out, lift to a bridge. Inhale again, exhale, slow, controlled extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale down. Breathe in. Lift as you exhale. Inhale, extend your legs. Inhale, bend. And then exhale, roll down. 2 more. Inhale. Lift as you exhale. Inhale. Exhale, extend. Breathe in. Bend. Exhale down. Last set. Inhale. Exhale. Lift. Inhale. Exhale, extend. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale down. Well done. That was a beautiful foam roller challenge on the wall. We are cooling down now by sitting up. It's time. Placing the foam roller on your thoracic spine. And you're going to lean on it. Knees bent. So it's in my shoulder blade. And we're going to stretch your upper back with your knees bent to support. Inhale. Exhale. Reach back. Touching the wall, looking up. Inhale, down. Exhale up. Inhale, down. Last one. Exhale up. Hold that stretch. Breathe in and then breathe out to the side like a snow angel on the level of the foam roller. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more. Last one. And now once you reach that level with your hands up, we're gonna press your elbows down to the wall as to bend to W position. I'm resting my elbows down to my foam roller, pushing against it on my mid-back. And then inhale, reach, open your rib cage, exhale down. 2 more. Inhale, exhale down. Last one. Inhale, exhale down. And then hug your knees with your arms and forward fold and rest. Fully extend your leg, alternating left and right to cool off slowly. Breathe in, alternating, extend. And now we are going to do a little bit extension now and then forward fold to stretch your back. So let go of the foam roller. We are forward folding now, reaching for your toes to stretch your back. Breathe in and breathe out. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my episode 4 of my Revive Pelvic Floor Core Rehab, where I utilize core back immersion therapy to all of my patients all over the world. If you miss out my other 3 videos, watch those 3 videos first before proceeding on this one. Apply them. Try to incorporate the proper breath work before proceeding to the next one. Proper form is more important than a lot of repetitions. Execution correctly is the most important thing to get results. And if you're interested to join my Revive Pelvic Floor Core Health Rehab, I'll be reopening my class again very soon, January 27, 2024. If you want to be part of this intimate small community class where I guide you safely and effectively if you're postpartum, recently or many years ago, it's not too late. Or if you're someone who's not suffering from postpartum, but you have a weak core and you don't know where to begin, then this is the time for you to revive your pelvic floor, your deep core muscles to have a stronger core, improve posture, and regain life without back pain. Click on the description below. Be part of the early bird waitlist for a first come, first serve basis because I open this first on my clients who sign up on the email list, so you receive it directly on your inbox. But if you don't sign up there, then I'll launch it on the public the next day. Then once the class is filled, I close the class and you won't be able to get in until my next class will be in the next 2 months. So be on the lookout when I'm gonna reopen. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns about my program, if you want to learn more about it, leave me a message on my Instagram, which is easy access for me, or my direct email address you can check out over here at info@anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com to learn more about my program. I'll see you next time on my next video where I'm going to utilize a lot of amazing testimonies and techniques out there. The comprehensive guide where I combine a lot of things that we learned in the first 4 videos to combine them, embrace them, improve overall deep core strength, to have no more leaks when you laugh, jump, sneeze, and everything that you need to be more confident for 2024. Watch this video episode first and then this if you missed out. I'll see you in my next video training. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!